Hello guys, so this is our little adventure. I'm with my niece in these photos and videos. Yeah, we're on our little boat. It's called Moana, and yeah, it's very exciting. We had some drinks and we enjoyed like some kind of pina colada, something like that. And look at my niece, she looks so happy. And yes, drinks and drinks and drinks. Here we go. Tagay na mga kababayan. Okay, look at this. Oh, I love this drink. And look at this waterfalls. It's called Rideau Waterfalls. And look at the water. It's so gorgeous. And the day also, it was a very sunny and gorgeous day. So yeah, thank you for following me, and I hope you enjoy with this video. And it's like you are touring, you are on a boat tour also with us, and this is just fantastic. So here, okay, you just saw our captain there, and the beautiful girl. So yeah, thank you for watching guys, and please like and subscribe. Bye.